everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of that bike that I showed you. And this is kind of a different bike than what I'm used to. And so it's going to be kind of interesting to take it out and run it through its paces. So let's get this thing unboxed and get it put together. Yeah, I really like how they have this hat. They make it easy. As you can see, it stands up by itself once it's out of the box. And you can move it around because I don't have a chain on. So I can move into a warmer place. It's cold out here. the E-Bycco EB9. I'm going to be doing a lot more tests with this. I'm supposed to warm up this week so I can get out there, and it's just brutal cold right now, but that was fun. And I can't wait to get out there and just see what this thing will do. This is Papa Blue Shirt. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you.
Hallelujah.
May He spread His blessings on your trail.
Hallelujah.
May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.